Welcome to Sachin Study Tech. Today we are discuss about why learn Java, and then later we can discuss structure of Java programming language, one simple program execution. Now we can see why learn Java. Here use number of applications is there. If you can develop use number of applications, those applications are web applications or Android applications. You can develop some games. So here the community is there. So use community is there. In worldwide we have the millions of Java developers. You can support use community is there. So powerful object oriented foundation, you can develop the graphical user interface, real time systems and simulations, and also some standalone applications you can develop by using this Java. And it is a main important is platform independence. You can write once, run anywhere. If you can develop one application, that application will be run on different operating system, even though that operating system having different. For example, one system having Windows, another system having Linux, another system having some Macintosh operating system. Even though that program will be, or that file, that application will be executed. So because of JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So here these are the main important applications of Java. So here user interface design, real-time system, you can develop the real-time systems, simulations and modeling, object-oriented databases, and artificial intelligence and expert system. So these are the most important applications of Java. So you can see this is the basic structure of the Java programming. So in C also have the structure, document section, like linking section, and global definition section, global declaration section, main section, and declaration part, executable part. Like that here also Java also having structure. It is document section which is similar to the C document section. Like here you can provide the comments like single line comment. For example, you can provide the single line comment. Here this is a simple Java program. You can provide the comments in single line, or you can provide the comment like multi-line comments also. For example, /*, and you can give the multiple lines like this, and star and slash. So this is the multi-line comments also can support it. So next one is the package statement. So you can create our own packages. That package here you can use the package is a keyword, package. You can create our own package like package space my package. This is our package name. You can create any number of packages. So package is a keyword. This is my package name. You can create our own packages. So import statement in C, you can as include, you can use has include like std standard input output dot h header file. So here also you can use the import statement in Java. Here just import what are the packages is there. You can import that package, import Java dot, for example I am using here, it is a predefined package lang dot, for example here it is a, in that lang package we have the system class lang dot system. So here import statement. So import is a keyword. So Java is a super package, lang is a sub package of Java, and system is a class of lang package. So if you can use that any classes or sub packages, just you can import that package into your program. So next one is the interface. So you can see here it is. Interface means, for example, you can take one interface. Interface is also a keyword. Later you can in detail you can discuss. For example, interface student, it is like a class, but there is a difference interface and class. Here I am defining one method, public void, for example display method. This is the abstract method. So later you can discuss what is meant by abstract and all these things. This is also optional. Interface student, if you can take, if you can require interface, okay, then you can define. Then class definition, you can create any number of classes, class and class name. For example here the class name, class and class name. So you can take any number of classes if you can require. and main method. This is the essential. So any Java program execution starts with the main method only. In C also execution starts with the main function. Here function is nothing but in Java you can call it as methods. So here the what is the signature of the main method, here you can see. So this is the method signature: public, static, void, main. String is a predefined class, string, and arguments, string arguments, open curly braces, and sorry, here it is a square bracket. Here what is the meaning of that you can discuss now. So this is the main method. So what is meant by public? Public is a keyword, static is a keyword, void is a keyword. So what is the public? Okay, this method declared as a public, then you can access anywhere. This method can access anywhere. And static, what is meant by static? If you can declare any method as a static, then without creating object you can access those method or data member in your class. What is meant by void? It is a return type here. So main is the function name. So void means in C, if you cannot return anything, okay, you cannot give any void also. But in Java programming language, if you can define any method, okay, if you cannot return that method anything, in that case also can use the void. So void means nothing will return. Okay, main is a function and string is a predefined class. That's why any predefined class in Java starts with a capital letter. So arguments, this means command line arguments. Command collection of, here it is a array of arguments with the string type. Array of arguments with the string type. So if you want to print one message, like just can take one example here. For example, you can open Notepad. Here it is. For example, simple program. I am using single line comment. This is simple Java program. Okay, this comment section is not considered as a compiler. Compiling it cannot consider. Ignore that statements. What are the comments is there in your program? Then here it is, for example, import java.lang.star. What is meant by java.lang.star? Here already you can discuss java.lang. Lang is a package. Star means what are the classes is there in that lang package. You can use all the classes from that lang package. Then you can use the star, or if you can use any specific name like lang.system, then you can use only that class only in your program. So if you can use any classes or methods from that lang package, just you can use the star. This is the import statement, right? I'm using class, for example, sample. This is the class name. Class is a keyword. So you can, class is a template for an object. So you can create user defined classes by using class keyword. So sample is a class name. You can give any name. It is an identifier. And here it is public is a main. It is method signature here. Public static, void main, and string arguments, string args. Just you can print one message. System is a class. So predefined class, which is system is a predefined class. So S is a capital letter. System dot out is the object from print stream class. Out is the object, and the print or println. So here it can see println. Welcome to Java class, main method closed and class closed. Here you can see for better understanding, you can see here it is, this is the single line comment. So this is the import statement which is also optional, and class name, main method, public static void main string arguments. This is the system.out.println welcome to Java. So you can save with any name, either you can save this file with sample.java or any name. So I am saving with other than that name. So here it can see, save this file Java programs. Here it is, for example, save with my name sachim.java, the file save with. So here it is, you can save file, for example in C programs, file name .c, in C++ file name .cpp, in Python file name .py, like here Java also file name .java, here it can see .java. So you can save that file. Now you can see where it can save. So here it is Sachin study tag, here it is Java programs. In the Java program having only Java file, here you can see this is the Java file. So how you can run, just you can open the command prompt, then change the directory. Here it is change directory, cd space. So the file is saved in the Java program folder. Now you can change the directory, then you can Java compiler, and file name is, for example, sachim.java. I am save with the file name is sachim.java, enter. You can see there is no error. So Java compiler and file name .java. How you can run this file? You can see one more time here folder. Previously you have only Java file. After compilation, class file is generated, sample.class. Here you can see file name is Sachim, but here generated sample.class. That means here the main class. So the main class means sample is the main class. Which class having the main method, that class is called as, generally called as a main class. So here it is sample.class is generated. So how can execute? So you can compile your file, the file name .java, but you can run that file Java space that name only. Which name? Here it is, which class having the main method, you can run that class only. So here sample is a class, sample, you can see. So this is the output, welcome to Java class. Now you can see here it is, I am using Println. So here the system is a class, predefined class. So S is a capital, out is the output stream. Later you can discuss in detail what is out. Here Println or print. So I am using Println. Now I am using, for example, here it is print. So what is the difference print and Println? So now we can see here just I am given welcome to. So what is the difference between print and Println? Now we can understand. You can see here I am using Println now. So previously I am not using print here. Just you can save this file. You can run this. You can compile the file after modifications. Then you can run the file. So here also can see welcome to. So here it is welcome to. Now here change welcome to Sachin study tech. You can save this file. Again you can run. You can compile the file. There is no error. Then you can run the file Java space sample. So welcome to Sachin study tech. Now you can see what is the difference. So print is, you can print the statement. Okay. So within the same line is there. So that's why welcome to, after welcome to, here you can print the systemsCommunity. So after printing this statement systemsCommunity, new line is there. Here you can see slash n means new line. Okay, just you can see after this, here you can see that here also I am not using, only use print thank you. So thank you is printed in the new line because welcome to printed. After that statement you can print systemsCommunity in the same line, after printing this systemsCommunity. So here I am using Println, that's why after printing this state message, then new line. So here thank you is printed on the new line. Just you can save and run this. You can compile and run. So welcome to systemsCommunity, thank you. Okay, so this is the example program. Later you can discuss in detail how you can save, for example, the file name consisting of more number of classes, then how you can save that file. Okay, all these things discuss in later sessions. Thank you for watching.